What's up guys, I'm Winchester. Today we're on Keydrop and we got $10,000 balance guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video guys, as you can see we have a giveaway. We are giving you $230 worth of Versus Rifle Wallet, $120 worth of Navaja Rifle Wallet, and $93 worth of AVP Asimo. If you want to join this giveaway, all you have to do, copy my link Winchester, type it and deposit minimum $5 with it. And we have another giveaway guys, as you can see we have a giving you falchion knife for $300 and paragraph knife $190. If you want to join this giveaway, use my code Winchester and deposit minimum $3 with it, then you will be able to join my two giveaways. Click here and tap my code Winchester and it also gives you 20% deposit bonus and extra 50-cent balance guys. So let's go on our video. Let's go to the case battle section. Now I will create one. 2 versus 2. Let's add some cases. Alpha strike. I will add that 10 times. Sharp move 20 times and 10 times Sabra case. $4,200. Let's create it. Let's summon the boss. Let's go. Let's go, bro. We got a stiletto and a blue steel. That's good. Oh, they got a flip knife fade. $800. They're on the lead. We got a stiletto and a blue steel again. $600. We got a shadow daggers, but they got a epic one diamond bridge. They are winning with $600. Let's see. Hand wraps. They're hitting $500. The vision knife and a glove. They are winning the case battle. Stiletto knife again. 560. Okay. Okay, we got a butterfly knife. Lore, $2,000. That's great. AVP here, chromatic. We got aim for A4, the Emperor. AK here. Shadow daggers here. We are winning with $1,000. Let's see. Hand whips. No, I'm sorry. Hydro gloves, they hit it. Okay, Emperor 4 here. Okay. Okay. AK here. Okay, last 3Ks. Looks like we're gonna win the case battle. And the last one, Sabra 20. And we won the case battle with $8,000 each. That was a great video for us, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.